Welcome guys, on today's tutorial we are going to learn how to use the Ultasonic Distance Sensor. This is the Ultasonic Sensor HC-SR04. The ultrasonic sensor is one of the most versatile sensors that we found. It integrates several sorts of solutions. It can be found in industry, robotics, security, and so on. I'm pretty sure that you already have seen it in a car parking sensor. Its operation is surprisingly simple. The sensor sends a wave that reflects after have reached an object. Then the wave returns to the sensor's receptor by the process known as echo. As we know the speed that the sound travels, we can measure the distance. Simple but impressive. So guys, here is our system programmed as an electronic measuring tape. It is quite simple. I've connected the sensor directly to Arduino. There are only 4 connections. 2 of them are supply and the other are signals. The signals are addressed to the pin 12 and 13, as we'll see at the sketch part. Now I will connect it to the computer in order to show it working. Well, here I will show the distance between my hand and the wall. That is about 86 centimeters. The sensor's range is from 2 centimeters to 4 meters. And now I will show the distance from my hand to the ceiling. That is about 2 meters. You may notice some errors. They exist because I've changed the angle during the measuring, but they disappear when the angle stabilizes and allows the echo to return to the sensor. Here we have a more complex system built with Garagino, where there are 3 states: dangerous distance, warning distance, and secure distance. Here you can see the sensor's connections and the 3 LEDs indicating each state. To assemble circuits using Garagino always make the process easier and cleaner, as you may notice. I've connected the USB to serial converter module, and I will upload the sketch that appears on the screen. I set the dangerous distance to equal or less than 10 centimeters, warning distance between 11 and 25, and secure distance to equal or more than 26. You can change these numbers whenever you want to make it suitable for your project. Now, let's see it working. With the code running, I will use an average notebook to exemplify the transitions. Notice this sound is the warning sound, and as the distance becomes shorter, the transition to the dangerous state and the dangerous sound that I found really annoying, but that's the point, isn't it? One last time. And that's it. That was the demonstration. Now let's turn briefly to the sketch part. Well guys, that is the simplest sketch that I've ever worked with. Just download the library ultasonic.h. That can be done on the tutorials page, whose link follows on the video description. Then create an instance and a variable to this instance. The variable is using the pins 12 and 13. Initialize the serial, then we print on the screen the sensor value. This command, ranging cm, provides automatically the value in centimeters. Then we print cm to indicate that we are working with centimeters. Now let's turn to the Garagino's sketch. We begin this sketch in a similar way that the previous one. We included the library ultasonic.h, then we create an instance, and a variable to this instance, addressed to the pins 12 and 13. Then we create some variables to work with our values. The first one is ultra, then the LEDs, addressed to the digital pins 5, 6, and 7. And then we create a variable to the buzzer, addressed to the digital pin 9. At the void setup, we set our pins, LEDs pins as output, as well as the buzzer pin. And then we initialize the serial. At void loop, we print on the screen the sensor value, working with centimeters, as we did before in a previous sketch. Then we store this value into our variable called ultra. If the value is less than or equal to 10, we turn on the red LED and turn off the two others LEDs. And then the buzzer will play as follows, making that annoying sound. In a similar way, if the value is between 11 and 25, we will turn on the yellow LED addressed to the pin 6 and turn off the other two LEDs. And the buzzer will play as follows, making a more pleasant sound than the previous one. Finally, if the value is higher or equal to 26, we will turn on the green LED and turn off the other two. In this case, there isn't a buzzer playing. And then we do a delay, and that's it. So guys, that was today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed. I certainly did. And it also provided me some ideas. I really hope to see you again right here on Garage Lab TV. See ya! To get more information, visit our social web at garagelab.com. To buy one of our products, go to garagelabstore.com/store. And don't forget to subscribe at our YouTube channel.